Hi everybody. So in this video, I'm going to show you how we can approximate a binomial distribution using a Poisson distribution. So we'll work through this example here, and then we'll try an exam style question. And if you want to work along with me in this video, you can download a copy of a PDF from my website. I'll leave a link in the description below. So in this example, we're told that the random variable x is distributed binomially with 150 trials and a probability of success of 0.04. For part A, we've been asked to work out the probability of x equaling 5. So we can do this on our calculators. If we press home, and then we want distribution, and then we want binomial PD, because we're working out a probability, not a cumulative distribution, we'll choose variable, and then we want to set x to be equal to 5, n is the number of trials of 150, and p is 0.04. We'll execute that, and we can see that the probability of x equaling 5 is 0.1628 to 4 decimal places. And then for part B, we're told that a Poisson variable y is distributed with an average of lambda, and this is used to approximate the binomial distribution. We've been asked to work out the value of lambda and justify this use of a Poisson approximation. So we should know that lambda is the average. What we need to work out is the average of the expected value of this distribution. And the expected value of a binomial distribution is the number of trials times the probability. So in this case, it's 150 times 0.04, and this works out to be 6. But we know that in a Poisson distribution, the average is approximately the same as the variance. So if we work out the variance of x, this will be np multiplied by 1 minus p, so 6 multiplied by 0.96, we get 5.76. But then you can see that the expected value and the variance are quite close. So what we can say is that y is distributed with a Poisson of 6, since our number of trials, n, is large and p is small. It's the fact that n is large and p is small which makes the expected value of x approximately the same as its variance. So using this model, find the probability of y equaling 5. So the probability of y equaling 5, again we can go to our calculators. We'll choose home, distribution. This time we want the Poisson PD. Our variable will be the 5, and our lambda the 6. We'll execute that, and we'll get 0.1606. And to comment on the accuracy of approximation, so our comment, 0.1606 is approximately the same as 0.1628 to 2 decimal places. So therefore we can say that a Poisson suitably approximates this binomial distribution. Okay, let's try the exam style question. So in this question, we're told that in a factory, the proportion of defective light bulbs is 2%, and for a batch of 150 light bulbs, we've been asked to use a Poisson approximation to find the probability that there are fewer than 5 defective bulbs, and then for part B, that there are exactly 3 defective bulbs. So do you want to try this question yourself? You can pause the video, and when you come back, we'll go through the worked solution. Okay, so welcome back if you had a go. So if we begin by defining our binomial distribution, we know it's binomial because we've got a fixed probability and a fixed number of trials. We're saying that x is distributed binomially with 150 trials and a probability of 0.02. And then we need to say let x be the random variable, the number of defective bulbs. And because n is large and p is small, we can approximate this distribution using Poisson. But we need to find the average. So the expected value of x will be the number of trials multiplied by the probability. We can work this out and we get an average of 3. So now we can say that y is distributed with a Poisson with a lambda of 3. So to work out part A, find the probability there are fewer than 5 defective bulbs. So this is y being less than 5. But our cumulative distribution is when it has to be less than or equal to. So we want the probability of y being less than or equal to 4. So if we go to our calculators, we'll choose distribution. We want Poisson CD. We'll choose variable. Our variable is 4, and our lambda is 3. We'll execute that, and we get 0.8153 to 4 decimal places. Part B, find the probability there are exactly 3 defective bulbs. So now we want y equaling 3. We'll go back to our calculators. We'll go back and back. We want Poisson PD now. Variable. X is now 3. Lambda remains the same. And we get 0.2240. Okay. Well, thank you very much for watching. I hope that's given you a clearer idea on how we can approximate a binomial distribution using a Poisson distribution. If you found that helpful, please like and subscribe, and you can download the full lesson and the PDF that accompanies this video from my website, mrmathematics.com. I'll leave a link in the description below.